If you've been following Apple rumors over the last few months, you've probably noticed that whispers about the AirPods Pro 3 are getting louder and more detailed. And that makes sense because, for Apple, this product is shaping up to be one of the most important launches in their audio lineup in years. The expected launch window is September 9th, 2025, during Apple's traditional fall event, where we're also set to see the iPhone 17 lineup and the Apple Watch Series 11. In other words, AirPods Pro 3 won't just quietly arrive. They'll be introduced on the biggest Apple stage of the year. Why does this matter? Because the AirPods Pro line isn't just another set of wireless earbuds. For Apple, it represents the cutting edge of where convenience, health, and artificial intelligence meet. And for consumers, the AirPods Pro have become something much bigger than just a way to listen to music. They've turned into a status symbol, a lifestyle gadget, and increasingly a health and wellness device. So naturally, when leaks and rumors suggest that the AirPods Pro 3 are going to pack in new health sensors, smarter AI features, and potentially game-changing real-time translation, it's enough to get the entire tech community buzzing. But here's the catch. Not every feature seems guaranteed for day one. Some of the rumors suggest that while heart rate monitoring is almost certain to arrive, other features like temperature sensing and the much-hyped live translation may not be fully ready at launch. That raises a ton of questions. How polished will AirPods Pro 3 actually be when they ship? Could some features be delayed to later iOS 26 updates? And perhaps most importantly, how does Apple plan to justify what's expected to be a higher price tag for these earbuds compared to the current AirPods Pro 2? Before we get into all the nitty-gritty leaks and speculation, let's set the stage. Apple launched the first AirPods Pro in 2019, and they were an instant hit. With active noise cancellation, ANC, transparency mode, and an all-new in-ear design, they set a standard that competitors have been trying to match ever since. 3 years later, in 2022, Apple introduced the AirPods Pro 2, powered by the H2 chip, bringing better noise cancellation, longer battery life, adaptive transparency, and subtle design improvements. That 3-year cycle brings us exactly to 2025, making the timing for AirPods Pro 3 almost too perfect to ignore. And if we look at the broader market, Apple actually needs the AirPods Pro 3. Growth in the wireless earbuds category has slowed dramatically. Research firms are reporting that global shipments will only grow about 3% in 2025, a massive slowdown compared to the explosive double-digit growth of previous years. In the budget segment, companies like Xiaomi and JBL are taking over with sub-$50 earbuds, while in the premium space, Sony, Bose, and Samsung continue to make strong pushes. Apple may still dominate in terms of revenue, but it's no longer guaranteed they'll hold their lead forever. The AirPods Pro 3 aren't just about giving existing Apple fans something new, they're about re-energizing Apple's grip on the audio market before competition gets even stronger. Now let's get into the exciting part. What we actually know and what's been leaked so far. Health sensors, turning AirPods into a wellness device. One of the biggest storylines around AirPods Pro 3 is health. And honestly, this feels like a very natural evolution for Apple. The Apple Watch already plays a massive role in health tracking, but not everyone owns one. AirPods are far more common, and if Apple can integrate meaningful health features into them, suddenly tens of millions of people are gaining access to wellness insights without buying another device. The most talked about feature is heart rate monitoring. This isn't new in the tech world. Plenty of fitness-focused earbuds already have it, but Apple has a reputation for doing things more accurately, more seamlessly, and with deeper ecosystem integration. Imagine being on a run with your AirPods Pro 3 and having your iPhone or Apple Watch instantly log your heart rate zones, helping you track your fitness progress in real time. Or picture AirPods quietly alerting you if your heart rate spikes unexpectedly during rest, something that could be useful not just for athletes, but also for early health warnings. Alongside heart rate tracking, we also have rumors about temperature sensing. Now, this is a bit more controversial because while some sources insist it's coming, others are more skeptical. If true, it could work very similarly to the temperature sensor in the Apple Watch Series 8 and 9, quietly tracking your baseline trends over time rather than giving you instant thermometer-like readings. This kind of data could be useful for illness detection, sleep tracking, or even fertility awareness for users who need it. It would effectively transform AirPods from just earbuds into a legitimate part of your personal health toolkit. The bigger point here is that if both heart rate and temperature sensing make it in, AirPods Pro 3 won't just be earbuds anymore. They'll become Apple's most widely distributed health device. That's huge, especially since not everyone wears an Apple Watch, but almost everyone listens to music. The feature that could change everything. Now, the second massive rumored feature is live translation. If this works the way people are hoping, it could honestly be one of the biggest upgrades to AirPods since they were first introduced. Imagine traveling abroad and being able to hold a conversation with someone in another language, with your AirPods seamlessly handling translation in real time. No awkward pauses, no fumbling with apps, just natural communication. Code found in iOS 26 betas strongly suggests that Apple is actively working on this. In fact, there were references to AirPods paired with the word hello displayed in multiple languages along with file names literally called translate. That's about as clear as it gets when it comes to Apple leaks. But here's the tricky part. Some insiders say this feature may not be ready at launch and could instead roll out later through a software update. Apple has done this before, remember, when hearing aid features for AirPods were delayed slightly after their initial announcement. The same thing could happen here. Still, the fact that Apple is weaving translation into iOS 26 and possibly tying it to Apple Intelligence AI features makes me think it's going to be a priority, even if it doesn't ship fully polished on day one. It's hard to imagine Apple holding it back for very long. Plus, there's a bonus here. The feature doesn't seem exclusive to AirPods Pro 3. Early code hints suggest that AirPods Pro 2 and the upcoming AirPods 4 may also gain translation support. That means the ecosystem impact is even bigger.